Python Flask templates. In this video, we are going to learn why templates directory is necessary and how to use templates. We return to the main script. Usually, a web service page contains a lot of information and HTML text. If you write all HTML contents in this single main script, it is bloated and difficult to manage. It is a good idea to separate the HTML contents and place them in templates directory. mkdir shop and manager templates /index vi index/index.html. We copy the HTML contents. We modify the main script. Shop underscore and manager.py. Import render template. Return render template index/index.html. We access the homepage again with the browser. It works with the use of templates directory. If the web page contains dynamic data, we can provide them to render template function. This is main script. We store the data in result dict variable. We add the result variable to render template function. The left side result variable is the variable name in template file. The right side result variable is the variable name here. These two variable names do not have to be the same. However, it is convenient to set the variable names to the same. We modify the template file. Index.html. Result.name. Note that double curly brackets are used in the template file. This result variable in the template file corresponds to the dict variable result in the Python file. Also note that dot notation is used in the template file. We access the homepage again. The value of __name _ appears in the web page. If the web page does not change and remains the same, please restart a patch. We can add a route to the same endpoint. We add a route /index. Slash and /index refer to the same homepage endpoint. We access the homepage with /index. The same web page appears. In summary, a template directory is required to separate the UI from the main script. Render template function is called to use the templates directory. Thank you.